Hey everybody! Welcome to the Let's Excel channel.
A simple chart in Excel is easy and can say more than a sheet full of numbers. Let's turn these student test results into a chart in under 2 minutes. It's best practice to have your data in the form of a visual table and not scattered multiple places throughout your document. To create a chart from your table, select the cells that make up the table, and on the Insert tab at the top, click on the type of chart you want to make. There are many ways to customize your chart, from the title to color and more. If the automatic axis range doesn't work for you, right-click and change the maximum and minimum bounds in the Properties window. If your graph auto-populates your axis and you want to fix it, you need just to right-click and select Data. In the Horizontal Axis Labels box, click Edit and select the range of cells that correspond to your data and click OK. You'll see it's now updated each data series with the new axis labels. If you want to show the data by test instead of by student, simply click the Switch Rows and Columns button on the Design tab, and Excel will do the rest. If instead of a line chart you want a bar chart, right-click anywhere in the chart and click Change Chart Type to see how your data will look in different forms. If you want your legend to be displayed in a location other than the default bottom location, right-click to change its position on the right-hand properties. If you'd like to add an element to the chart such as axes titles or data labels, do that by clicking the Chart Elements button and customizing that way. If the default colors don't match your personal color scheme, the Chart Styles button to the right of the chart offers different default color palettes to choose from. If you want to filter the data that your chart displays, you can do that without modifying your original data via the Filter button, also to the right of the chart. Most aspects of your chart can be customized to convey the most accurate and clear picture of your data if you just know where to look and what to right-click.
If you got value out of this video and want to learn more Excel hacks, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to be alerted each time a new video is posted, and so I can help you work smarter and not harder.